Look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at this come. Look at this come in. Wow, this thing is barreling in. Power outages are looking possible. Going up.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
Yep, it's here. Oh, it's here.
A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for north central Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Cass and St. Joseph. This is a tornado watch. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 438, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Sunday, or 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien, Cass and St. Joseph, and the following: New Buffalo, Michigan. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fulton County, Indiana, southern Marshall County, Indiana, southwestern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Plymouth to New Argos to 9 miles south of Culver, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Plymouth, Rochester, Winona Lake, Bourbon, Argos, Culver, Mentone, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Etna Green, Leesburg, Claypool, Brickett, Leaders Ford, Lake Bruce, Old Tiptown, Hibbard, Maxinkuckee, and Tiosa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Kosciuszko, and Marshall. This is a tornado watch.